Here's how to deposit money on 1xBet safely and without issues. Before we continue, make sure to create your official 1xBet account using our exclusive promo code BUTV to receive an incredible 300% bonus on your first deposit. Here's how it works. Click to registration, choose one of the 4 available methods, for example by email, fill in with all your personal details, and here in the promo code section, click BUTV. Then click to register and make your first deposit, for example $100, and instantly receive a 300% bonus. That's an extra $300, making your total balance $400 to start betting with. Don't miss this opportunity to boost your game with one of the most trusted betting platforms in the world. Now let's back to the video. Log in into your account and go to deposit section. You need to go to menu and you will find it in the upper right corner. Click to deposit. Here, select your preferred payment method. It can be card, bank transfer, e-wallet, or crypto. You can also filter it by clicking on types of payment systems. And here you will have all different transactions and all different services that you can use. Let's suppose that for this transaction you will use Skrill. So click to Skrill, put the amount you want to deposit, confirm. You'll be redirected to the page where you need to put your email, then confirm the transaction through your bank or wallet. Pro tip, always deposit through official channels, never third-party links. Double check your country's limit and supported methods. Once confirmed, the funds usually appear instantly in your balance, ready for betting. And if this video was useful, put like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.